Many people rush this and get it wrong. So don't get caught. If you want to solve a question like this, many people would rush and say double seven. Double seven means 2 times 7, right? Then they would say 2 times 7, then square. If you solve it like this would give 14 square. That will give 196, and this is wrong. So whenever you come across a question like this, don't forget the order of operation. Double 7 squared. Double, that is 2 times 7 square. This is the right way to solve it. 2 times 7 square, and that will give 2 times 49, and the answer will be 98. So this is the correct way to solve a question like this. Here are other examples. We have triple six squared. So triple six squared means 3 times 6 squared, and that will be 3 times 36. The second one is half of 9 squared. Half of, so this one means 1/2 times 9 squared. Then you find the square first, so that we have 1/2 times 81. And then for this one says double double the square of 5 minus 1. So this we have something like this. Double, that is 2 times the square of 5. That will be 5 squared, then minus 1. So don't make the mistake of saying double the square of 5. 2 times 5 minus 1 square. The answer will be wrong. Double the square of 5, that is 2 times 5 squared, then minus 1. And this would give, we'll use the order of operation, so that we have 2 times 25 minus 1. And here multiplication must be solved before subtraction, so that this will give 50 minus 1, and that will be 49. So whenever you come across questions like this, take it one after the other, and then don't forget the order of operation. I am Miss Becca, and see you in the next video.